So it's a fake. I'll give you the fine detail in a second, but what we've actually got is a couple of wires connected on there that I don't think the camera will pick up because they're very fine wires, and I haven't even tried to hide this very well. Some button cells just there, and there's a reed relay in there, so the reed relay switches it on and off when I move a magnet near it, and the button cells power it. I could have used smaller button cells and hidden it better than that, but for the purpose of showing that it's a fake, I didn't want to go too far. So as long as the camera angle is good enough, you can't really see the battery at the back there, and if you can see it, you just assume it's part of the structure. I use the Smarties just to make the point that it doesn't matter what you stick on there, it's nothing to do with magnets or anything. It's just somebody hiding a battery somewhere. AG1 button cells held together with some sticky tape. This is a little alarm that's got a little reed relay in it. So this magnet I'm holding next to it is holding it shut at the moment, or holding it open actually. And if I move the magnet away, it sets off the alarm. So I should be able to take the little reed relay out of there and use it to operate the fan. There's the reed relay, that little glass tube there. So I'll desolder that, because that's the only bit we want, just that little glass tube. Can you see it? That reed relay is just here. And I've got a hair thin piece of wire here that you probably can't see. At the moment I've got a little 15-volt battery in my hand. It's a bit flat, but it's good enough so that if I hold a magnet nearby, the reed relay operates and it works. In fact, there's even a little bit of light going down to this LED, but I don't know if that's visible on the camera. Magnet. You can just about see that LED coming on. So I think this battery's pretty flat, and I've put quite a big resistor on the LED anyway. I don't think the camera will even pick this up. I use this needle to point. I've connected ultra thin wire to the existing two power leads. So there's a very thin gold wire soldered to that black lead, and there's also one soldered to that red lead. So I don't even think the camera can see them. Well, we can just about see that one that comes up the side at the moment. Yeah, I can see that. But it's running behind the red and black wire, so you won't see them. And you really can't see that reed relay, because it just looks natural tucked up in there. But one of those very thin wires is soldered to one end of that reader relay. At the moment the other end of the reader relay's just free there at the moment. I'm going to tuck some button cells in there somewhere, and then connect the other end of that piece of wire to the other end of the button cells. And from a distance, none of that will be visible. It's all in place. I've hidden the battery down the back there, and if I take the magnet close by, the fan spins. There's even a tiny bit of light on the LED. So let's stick some Smarties on it.